Good morning, everyone, and welcome once again to Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel on this rainy Thursday, February 9th, 2023. We have an Operation Weather right now. We have a wind advisory in effect for north central, northeast Ohio, and northwest Pennsylvania counties from 9 o'clock today until 3 a.m. Friday. This is going to be in effect until late, starting today. They just started the advisory just a second ago. Um, and then it is supposed to be done until late tonight into tomorrow. So now they're saying what south to southwest winds to 20 to 30 miles per hour with wind gusts to 55 miles per hour. Portions of northeast or north. No, I already told you where and when. I'm sorry. Gusty winds could blow around on circular objects. Tree limbs could blow down, and a few power outages result. Use extra caution when driving, especially operating a higher profile vehicle, circular outdoor objects. Again, this is a wind advisory in effect for north central Ohio as well as northeast Ohio and northwest PA counties until 9 o'clock. From 9 o'clock this morning, they just started it. It's supposed to be done until late tonight into tomorrow. All happening this Thursday. Um, February 9th, 2023 from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Before we read today's weather, remember, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube, along with Jeffrey the Train Expert's YouTube channel. We got 29 subscribers on the regular channels, and we got over um uh no almost 600 videos on the regular channel page. Like the holidays and occasions, we should have a couple coming between Valentine's Day and President's Day coming up. And also, we just have, and we also do semi trucks. I haven't seen any yet. Garbage trucks, we've seen one today, the WM, because it was our garbage day today. We know that. Sports recaps we're going to do coming up since this is the Super Bowl week and all that good stuff. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channel page. Check it out. Make sure to, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. We had new train videos about every day of the year. We got over 1,700 videos of trains and trainless videos of the OC and Ts. We did almost, incidentally here, we did almost 30 train videos of the OC and Ts between grain hoppers, regular freight, and light power trains was all we got yesterday. Between Quality and Perry. That's all that we did. That's all we did at that's all we did at that's the only things we went for the trains. I should have got 30 if I would have gotten the WL Plastics train, but we didn't get that. We didn't get that. No. And but we got at least a record of train videos we got yesterday. We had the highest we had was 28. Now the highest we had was 29. So we just made Jeffrey the Train Expert's record by 2 videos. That was amazing. I never had almost 30 train videos in the last year though. So this is, by the way, the highest videos I ever gotten in the history of Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. But still, so anyway, we got but and we also do Norfolk Southern. We're supposed to go to Norfolk Southern on excuse me. We're supposed to go to Norfolk Southern on Tuesday, but since Jolene doesn't have much gas for the van, we didn't go out of town. That's why we stayed in Titusville. That's good because I had to go do a couple things here on the regular, or a couple things here. That's good. So, and we also do the holiday, or no, or we also do CSX, B&P, Western New York, and all that good stuff. Don't forget we have a premiere. Speaking of B&P and Canadian National and Bessemer trains, I got a premiere at 7 o'clock on the Train Expert channel. This is our second ever Butler event of the train events in Butler. This is the second time in Jeffrey the Train Expert history. I'm going to talk about this when I close with the train video coming up in just a little bit. So, and also all that good stuff here. All Trains Galore, and a lot more train videos as well. All Trains Galore, Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. Alright, let's get back to the operation weather right now. Let's take a look at the forecast for today. Cloudy with it was going to say cloudy with periods of rain. Now they're saying showers early, then a steadier rain for the afternoon. high 57, winds south at 10 to 20 miles per hour, chance of rain 100%. Tonight, rain early, then changing to snow showers overnight, low 34, southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 70%, winds occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Friday, cloudy with snow showers developing in the afternoon, high 37, temperatures nearly steady into the mid 30s, west winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, chance of snow 40%, and Friday night, cloudy with snow showers early, low 23, chance of snow 40%. I'm only going to be doing today and tomorrow's forecast. That's it, because it's the only, that's when the wind advisory is going to be in effect till. So, let's do Meadville right now. Here's the forecast for today. Considerable cloudiness with occasional rain showers. High 59. Some places don't surprise as opposed to reach into the 60s. So, so keep that in mind. Again, especially in Erie County, we're gonna do Erie and Northeast in a few minutes. So, so west southwest winds it is at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. Tonight, showers early, then changing to snow showers overnight. Low 34. Southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Winds occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Tomorrow, cloudy with afternoon snow showers. High 37. Steady temperatures nearly into the mid 30s. West winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 40%. And Friday night, cloudy with snow showers early. Low 24. North west northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of snow 40%. Excuse me. Alright, let's go ahead and do the Erie forecast for today. Periods of rain becoming windy in the afternoon. High 59. Southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Winds occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Tonight, periods of rain, or I should say windy with rain early, then remain cloudy with showers overnight. High, or excuse me, low 36. Southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow, or excuse me, chance of rain 60%. Winds occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. That's what they said. The same thing tomorrow. Tomorrow, cloudy and windy early. Snow showers developing in the afternoon. Steady temperatures into the middle to the upper 30s. Winds south-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Winds occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Friday night, snow showers or scattered snow showers early, then partly to mostly cloudy overnight. Low 27. Winds north-northwest 10 to 20 miles per hour. And chance of snow 30%. Yeah. And finally, are they calling for snow at night or during the day? At night as well as tomorrow. Some places supposed to call for snow overnight, and some places just only calling for rain showers overnight. So, all right, one more. We have the northeast forecast is all we have left, and then that's gonna be it. So we can get back on with the next video on the Train Expert channel to close it out. We'll get to that here. Today, they're saying showers early, to becoming a steadier rain for the afternoon. Windy, high 57. Wind or southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Winds occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Tonight, evening rain, then windy with the mix of rain and snow overnight. Low 34. Winds, southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Between today, tonight, and tomorrow, they're saying winds occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And the forecast for tomorrow is saying blustery with snow showers, high 36, steady temperatures near into the mid 30s, winds southwest winds it is at 20 to 30 miles per hour, chance of snow 50%. Are they calling for snow accumulations or what? No, no. No inches of rain expected or any snow accumulations either between today, tonight and tomorrow. So and Friday night, mainly cloudy with snow showers before midnight, low 24. Winds north northwest. This is 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 40%. Yeah. There's a marble risk. Oh, I was gonna say that I know why there's a marble risk for severe weather. I know why. Because of that wind, we might have a surprise. We already had one thunderstorm forecast this season, or actually this year though. I don't think Crawford's not getting it, but Erie is. Erie County it is getting it, not not around Crawford, not Crawford, because Crawford's only calling for rain only. I don't know if they're calling for a wind advisory from their National Weather Service at Pittsburgh or not. Let's find out. Yeah. Are you doing the gale warning? I'm not doing the operation weathers for gale warnings or watches or I don't know why they're calling for a marble risk for severe weather. The Weather Channel didn't say anything about thunderstorms or anything. It's just said, as I said, we only had one thunderstorm forecast this year. And it was a couple days before my birthday, is what it was. And they're saying it's supposed to call for rain around the afternoon. So, so. All right, we going around for 21 minutes, and the storage. I'm using the cell phone today. Usually I do a camera. Usually I do my operation weathers at home on my tablet, but since my tablet's out, I'm just going to use the cell phone camera today. Since we're not doing anything on the Train Expert channel until tomorrow or unless later, we'll see. But so. Alright, we've been around for 22 minutes. This is my only video I'm going to do here, so this is probably going to be it for today for Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Again, we have a wind advisory in effect for north central, northeast Ohio, and northwest Pennsylvania counties until 3 o'clock Friday morning. This is they just started from 25 minutes ago, and this is going to be in effect until late tonight into tomorrow. That's what's going to be. So, it is supposed to call for rain, rain, rain showers in the afternoon and evening, and then it's supposed to changing over to snow into overnight, and it's supposed to call for snow tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night as well as tomorrow afternoon and evening. So we're gonna get off for this, and thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Don't forget, I have a premiere at 7 p.m. tonight on the Train Expert channel. It's my second ever train event in Butler, Pennsylvania. It's a train meet with the B&P Light Power meeting the Canadian National Light Power train in Butler, Pennsylvania. So thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page. One more time, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page and Jeffrey the Train Expert's YouTube channel. So we're gonna get off, and we'll get back on in a little bit on the Train Expert channel to close it out from yesterday. Talk to you later. Are they calling for a winter weather? Are they calling for a wind advisory, or this is a high wind warning or what? This is a wind advisory. There's no watches. There's no high wind warning. There's no watches or warnings. There's no high wind watches or warnings in effect, though. It's just a wind advisory in effect, not a high wind watches or warnings. So, just to be clear, though, yeah. So, all right, we're gonna get off, and we'll get back on in a little bit on the Train Expert channel to close it out. Talk to you later.